opportunity to perform for you tonight. We hope that as you begin to think about college, you'll consider coming to Troy University, because if you do, we have a place for you in the sound of the South. To close our celebration tonight, we pull from the year 1999. Here's the saucy and exciting Taboo.